Wait a while, take the spot. I'll be yours and you'll be mine until the end of time.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, today is Tuesday. I am Joey and this is my daily stock market recap. And if you haven't yet, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can see my daily recap and my mistakes and the glorious days that I do have. Now, I'm not going to be shy about today. Today has been a pretty bad day in the market for me. So I tried to cut out of AMD pretty early this morning because it just started dropping after the news of the false news. I was hoping it was going to come back to about $11 or so, but it never really did, so I kind of just cut my ties and moved my money elsewhere, which also didn't do so well. So let's check this out. Alright, so here we are, still in the after hours, and if you can see, I am down $50.53 for the day today, which is pretty bad, but I mean, I've had worse days. Well, let's see, cbriq is one of the main reasons I am down. So let's take a look at today's top gainers real quick. See if I have any of these on my watch list. Today's top losers: AutoZone, TripAdvisor, Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly's. All the car part companies are on here. Should head out of the cloud. So cbriq went down today and brought me down $32.29 today alone. So that's a big portion of my downward spiral of the day. dcth also went down into the 2 cents, which I got to average down a little bit more. You know, I put my money into this. You know, I am down only $5.97 as of right now today in this one. I mean, overall, almost down $16, but it should come back up. I mean, I keep saying that and it doesn't, but it should. It should. I've got high hopes. And CHK I bought in here today as a day trade, but it didn't go up that high. So I kind of didn't put more shares into this. I bought cvna because I always see cvna having pretty good, and analysts, there have been a couple of analysts that are on cvna's side saying that it should be about at $15 or $20. So I might hold this until next week, or possibly, let's see, I'm at a negative $2.93, but I think, when is the earnings for this? I'm gonna have to find out when the earnings is coming up, and possibly hold this one until the earnings, because I'm pretty high on this one. Ever since I saw that commercial on YouTube, I think I only seen it one time too, so I mean, it was a sign. It was definitely a sign, and that day when I seen it, I've been watching the stock on it, and I wish I would have invested in it the day I seen it, because that next couple of days it did rise a couple of dollars. But, you know, we learn from our mistakes, and it's definitely not good to jump into something that you don't know of. It's best to keep an eye on something for a couple of days and watch the trend and keep up with the news and look into the details. Definitely look into the level 2 where people are purchasing, where people are selling, and, you know, make your own decision on where you want to jump in on a stock and how long and where you want to jump out of that stock, and whether it's going to be a day trade or a swing trade, or, you know, hold it for the next week, you know, hold it for the next year, you know, what kind of trader you're going to be. It's all up to you. You know, don't let anybody influence your decision. You know, there's plenty of apps out there like StockTwits that, you know, if you want to listen to people, you can go on StockTwits and lose all your money. You know, when I first started, I was definitely on StockTwits, and Yeah, there's some people on there with good information, but there's a lot of people on there with bad information. And I mean, you just learn that on your own as you grow. You know, you learn as you grow. You grow as you learn. I mean, you never stop learning, so that means you never stop growing. So on that note, you guys just keep growing, keep learning. When you think you've learned it all, you can always learn more. But until next time, you guys, stay green. I'm definitely by far green today, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. So you guys, have a great one, and stay green.
No one's gonna give you guarantee, 'cause when you find your love, you will see. We can do it live. No one's gonna give you